Hello engineers, welcome to Mechanical Training World channel. Today we are going to discuss subsection C in ASME BPVC section 8 division 1 code. Firstly, we will see the structure of subsection C, that is requirements pertaining to classes of materials guys. The very first part is part UCS, that is carbon and low alloy steels guys. And next one is part UNF, non-ferrous materials. And then part UHA is there for high alloy steels, and part UCI, that is all about cast iron materials, and part UHT, which is about ferritic steels enhanced by heat treatment, and part UCD deals with cast ductile iron. And there are two more parts in this subsection C guys, that is part ULW and ULT, that is fabricated by layered construction and high allowable stress materials at low temperatures guys. These are the parts you will see in subsection C guys. Here you can see this subsection C deals with requirements pertaining to classes of materials. But here my question is, why ASME BPVC section 8 division 1 code given about materials guys? Because we already have section 2, right? ASME section 2 deals with the materials. Then why again ASME section 8 division 1 code given about materials? Before going to know the answer, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon guys. You will get notified if I upload any new videos. So let's see brief about section 2 structure. So in section 2 we have four parts, right? Part A, part B, part C. So which deals about ferrous material specification for part A, and part B deals with non-ferrous material specification, and part C covers welding rods filler material specifications guys. And apart from these three parts, we have fourth part, that is part D, which deals about material properties. So part A, part B, and part C deals with chemical composition and ordering information. So part D gives about mechanical and physical properties like density, yield strength, tensile strength, maximum allowable stress values. So all you got from this part D guys. But if we want to know the additional specifications permitted to be used in section 8 division 1 of ASME, we can find them in subsection C guys. So subsection C provides you the additional details, additional specifications which are permitted to specially for section 8 division 1 code. So that is why we are referring subsection C in ASME BPVC section 8 division 1 code guys. Let us see what you exactly find in subsection C guys. So in subsection C, you will find specific materials which is used in construction of vessels and also their requirements, especially for division 1 vessels guys. So here you can find what are the allowed material specification, and apart from this, there are specific requirements for post weld heat treatment which vary based upon factors like material, thickness, and design codes which is being used, and it is crucial to follow the current code when determining post weld heat treatment requirements. For each material, we must determine the appropriate holding temperature and time for post weld heat treatment guys. And apart from this, we have another important aspect which is covered in subsection C is MDMT calculations, minimum design metal temperature. So it is crucial in addressing many problems which is associated with low temperatures. While there are many other aspects covered in subsection C, but these three are the most important we need to refer in subsection C guys. I hope now you understand what are the additional requirements given in the ASME BPVC section 8 division 1 code subsection C. So let's see first part UCS, that is about carbon steels and loyal steels. In the two we will see UCS-1 scope guys. What exactly code given in this scope means? Code given that to obtain complete requirements for a material, we must combine all the relevant information from section 2 and subsection A and subsection B from this current division. So this is what code given in the UCS-1 scope guys. Because no single portion contains all the necessary requirements guys. They are scattered based on their respective purposes. Hence, it is crucial to have a good understanding of the code to identify these requirements accurately. Finally, the scope says that the rules in part UCS are applicable to pressure vessels and vessel parts that are constructed of carbon and low alloy steels and shall be used in conjunction with the general requirements which is given in subsection A and with the specific requirements in subsection B along with section 2 all the parts guys. And next we will see UCS-5 general. The first point in UCS-5 is all carbon and low alloy steel materials that are under stress due to pressure must conform one of the specifications in section 2. This is the first point we discussed in previous slide guys. And apart from this there is one more point that the material specifications permitted in subsection C can be found in table UCS-23. What are the materials you need to use for this section A division 1 code that is given in table UCS-23 guys. But there are some other clauses in the code that allow for the use of materials not listed in this table also. However, qualifying such materials can be difficult and time consuming process which involves additional testing and verification processes guys. You can see such materials in UG10 which covers qualification of other materials which is not covered in table UCS-23. But I generally suggest you that it is better to stick to the specifications which is given in the UCS-23 table guys to avoid some complexities of using non-listed items. And the next point given in UCS-5 is if carbon and low alloy steel materials contains carbon percent greater than 0.35 percentage, that material shall not be accepted as per code guys. This is what exactly given in UCS-5 guys. So while watching the video, please refer code as well so you will get better understanding. So apart from this, I want to tell you one more point that we can use SA36, SA283 as pressure parts for pressure vessels, but there are limitations for their use guys. For example, if there is a latent substance involved, we cannot use them. And similarly, for unfired steam boilers, their use is prohibited guys. Moreover, if the thickness of plate is greater than 16 mm, their usage is not allowed. So, but we can use SA283 and SA36 for utilities purpose such as water or air as long as we meet the specified requirements guys. And let's see what are the materials given in UCS-23 table. So these are the materials you will find in UCS-23 table which is allowed by the code guys. And you can find maximum allowable stress values for these materials in ASME section 2 part D guys. This is all about UCS-1, UCS-5 and UCS-23. I hope this session is useful to you. In next lecture we will see some more important clauses.